When I think of Cornell, I describe it as a family. It's definitely a close-knit community, and there's a community feel here that I'm pretty sure you won't get anywhere else.
When choosing where I wanted to go to college, I was very hard set on finding a place that was really centered in community, and I feel like being at Cornell, I've really had that sense of family and like that sense of community that I was really looking for.
The sense of community that Mount Vernon has, that Cornell has, that they have together, even the community that Iowa has and the Midwest has, it's beautiful. Like, people show up, they support each other, they go to events, and like, I didn't think that actually existed still. So Cornell's like a little like heaven where you just like, I don't know, get to be with people, they love you, you love them back, and like, I don't know, that surprised me because I didn't know that still existed.
It almost feels like a magical place, to be honest, and that sounds silly, but I feel like it's true. You're in a whole nother world up here on the hill because there's nothing else like it. The community that transpires up here is different than any place I've ever been.
We have a lot of students who are looking for where they fit in, and they find a home and they find a community here at Cornell College. They find out what others labeled as weaknesses to be their strengths. They find that in other places where they didn't find their niche, they're able to find an eclectic niche here, and people find their home in the community, and I think that's really beautiful.
I believe that when you come to Cornell College, there's a place for everyone. I see it every day. The students that come to my class or the students that walk around campus, I saw it even at graduation with different students of different backgrounds cheering for each other. Because the campus is community-centered, I believe that people authentically feel the sense of community that Cornell has, and if you want to be a part, you can be a part.